Hey everyone, welcome to this tutorial on how to quickly extract specific pages from PDFs online for free. BoldSign makes extracting PDF pages simple and efficient. Just open your browser and navigate to the BoldSign Extract PDF Pages online page. I've added a link to this page in the video description below. Here's the process in 3 easy steps. Upload your PDF, select the pages you want to extract, and download your new document. Let me guide you through it step by step. Start by dragging your PDF file into the upload box or clicking Upload to browse and select your file. For this example, I'll click Upload, choose a PDF, and click Open. The file uploads instantly. Once uploaded, you'll see a thumbnail preview of all the pages in your PDF. To extract pages, navigate through the preview and select the ones you want. For instance, I'll select pages 1 to 4, which contain the key sections I need for my tailored document. If you change your mind, deselect any page by clicking it again. Once you've selected your desired pages, click Download to extract your pages. 2 options appear. Download the selected pages as a single PDF file or as separate PDF files. Choosing a single file combines all extracted pages into one document. Opting for separate files saves each page as an individual PDF. Download your PDF according to your need. Let me take you through other document editing options. You can add PDF or blank pages between the existing pages using the Add icon. Pages appear in a grid by default and can be switched to list view if you prefer. When you hover over a page, options like Locate, Duplicate, Preview, and Delete appear. To remove unwanted page, select it and click the Delete button. You can reset all changes by clicking the Reset button and confirming. Use the Select All Pages button to select or deselect all pages as needed. After you've selected the pages you need, you can zoom in on the preview to double-check each page's content. For this tutorial, I'll select the single file option to download all extracted pages in one PDF. It's ready in seconds. Let me open the Save PDF. Look at it. Perfect. It contains only the pages I selected, clean and professional with no watermarks. If this tutorial helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.